The ingredients for this recipe are chicken legs, carrots, 2 medium onions and a head of garlic, 1 jar of assorted mushrooms, a bundle of aromatic herbs, a can of beer, a glass of stock, and salt, pepper and oil. Put oil in a casserole over a medium heat, and when it is hot, add the things. When the figs are toasted, add the garlic and the carrots and onions. Stir so that these ingredients touch the oil. Now lower the heat. At this point, add the bundle of aromatic herbs and the glass of stock. Add the beer, and for 10 minutes the alcohol has to evaporate. After 10 minutes, we add the soap and the fry less. With the lower heat, now has to cook 45 minutes without a lid. Take care does not run out of liquid. "15 minutes early, we put the mushrooms and mix. After 44 or 50 minutes, we turn off the heat and cover.